Hi, my name is Madman. Welcome to my channel. I wish you a good watch. Do not forget to admire the video and subscribe to my channel.
What is the Go language, and why is it useful? When Google announced the Go language in 2009, we were all underexcited. After all, a compiled, statically typed language in the tradition of ALGOL and C isn't that radical, especially one that eschewed generic programming, implicit type conversions, assertions, inheritance and pointer arithmetic. However, it has proved to be robust, highly portable, simple to use, and productive to work with. Ed Elliott reckons that it is definitely worth checking it out. What is Go? The Go documentation describes Go succinctly. Go is expressive, concise, clean, and efficient. Its concurrency mechanisms make it easy to write programs that get the most out of multi-core and networked machines, while its novel type system enables flexible and modular program construction. Go compiles quickly to machine code yet has the convenience of garbage collection and the power of runtime reflection. It's a fast, statically typed, compiled language that feels like a dynamically typed, interpreted language. What this means is that it is a relatively simple language, certainly compared to C++ and to some extent C#. Easy to write programs that scale on multi-cores. Networked software. Fast to compile, even the largest applications take seconds to compile. Statically typed for safety. If you are going to write something that will serve network requests of some sort, and will need to scale to a significant numbers of requests, then I would say that Go should be one of the languages that you ought to consider using. Furthermore, if you are looking for a cross-platform language that compiles to a console application which will run on the target machine without any dependencies, you also can't go too far wrong in looking at using Go. What is the history? Go was invented by 3 engineers at Google, supposedly impatient at the time it took to build the C++ source at Google. The idea was to build a replacement for C++ that would mean that where they had chosen between C++ for performance with both its complexity and slow build times, and something like Java or Python, the inventors decided that a new language was the only way forward, and that language ended up as Go. What is it best suited to? Go is best suited to networked services that need to scale. Go has a number of features that mean that it is well suited to building applications that have to be fast. The first of these turbo features is Go's ability to scale across multiple cores by making multi-threaded programming straightforward. Go uses a model for concurrency called CSP, or communicating sequential processes. The idea is that, instead of sharing variables and having to control access to those variables, shared values are passed between threads using channels. If only one thread can access a value at a given time, then you don't need to lock the variable. The Go authors have reduced this to a slogan. Do not communicate by sharing memory, instead, share memory by communicating. In a practical sense, what this slogan means is that, instead of doing it by using locks, mutexes or readwriter lock slims, we pass the object that contains the variable from one Go routine, akin to a thread, to another. You use the object and then, when you are finished, you pass it on to the next channel or throw it away. Cross-platform. A further benefit of Go is that it is a cross-platform language and has a runtime that works on Windows, FreeBSD, Mac OS X and Linux. When you compile your Go binary, the runtime is compiled into the executable and that can be copied onto a machine and run. There is no need to run an installer or get any dependencies for your application to run. Go also includes support for building on one architecture but targeting another, so from a 32-bit Windows XP machine, should you be unfortunate enough to have a Windows XP machine, you can build a 64-bit binary to run on a Linux machine. Please subscribe to my channel and you like the video, and we need your comments on our video so we can develop the videos next time. Goodbye.